Hello and welcome. Today we will wrap up the HTML part of our course and then we will focus on the CSS, and after that we will combine both and we will make a real website. If you go to the w3school.com, as you know about the website, going to the references, HTML tags. Today we will discuss, of course, we will discuss about new tags and what are remaining, about all the new things in HTML5 which comes. If you go to the tag reference here, this is list of all tags in HTML5. List is very short, not short, but you should learn all of them. So far we have learned some of them, like like doc type, like some audio, something like that. As you have noticed there are the label of 555 means they are new in HTML5, and these tags are not supported anymore in HTML5. You should know that you should not use them. If you have an acronym, we don't use an acronym, not supported in HTML5, use ABBR instead. That is what you are going to do. You are going to come to this website and check all the tags here. If I have not taught you about these things, you should learn them here, because there are many. If I focus on them, the video will get longer and it will become so boring, because some of them you will never use in your life. So that's why you should do them by yourself. But today I will discuss some of the important things that you should know about these things. So the first thing you should know is about the structure of a website. If you look at the W3 School, it has a navigation. This is called a navigation. This is a sidebar. This is another sidebar, and this is the content. Mostly websites are like this. They have a navigation, they have a header. This is header. Inside header we have a logo, we have our navigation, we have sidebar, we have another sidebar, we have our content. There are some other type of website. As you can see, this is applenet.com. If you go there, they have a navigation, but they do not have any sidebar. As you can see, if I scroll down, there is a slider here showcasing welcome to Applenet, and then they are showing they are talking about themselves, and then they talk about amazing services here. They have amazing services. Each of them are sections. This is about section, and the other one is services section, the other one is project section, the other one is pricing section, then theme section, and then contact section. These websites are categorized in contact, but as I said, the W3 School is different. It has a navigation, it has sidebar, it has content, and it has footer, and all these things. The another website I can show you is the Next Web, which is a best resource for learning technology news. And they have a lot of articles, daily updates, a lot of things. As you can see, this website, it has article. This is one article, this is another article, another article, and another article, and all of them are listed. Again, they have navigation. These are content. If I come down, they have footer, they have their social social icon. They have infinite scrolling. That's why they load more article and more article as I scroll down. So as you can see, they have social, they have their footer and their copyrights, all of these things, and these are the structure of a website. Now when you are using HTML5, you should know which tag to use, where to use it. That is the important point. It will make your website look good. Not only look good, looking good is not the matter, but it will make it user friendly and SEO friendly. SEO is search engine optimization. We will discuss about them later. But if you design it according to HTML5 standard, your website will rank at the top of the search engine. That is important. So let's discuss about the new tags and where should you use them. I have created a file 016 and new tags. I will just write a little bit of HTML5 code here. New tags in HTML5. This is going to be very important, and you should know these things. First thing, as I said, if your website has a header and navigation, you should structure it like this. You have a header. Inside the header you have navigation. Inside the nav you have UL, then LI. Maybe they are a link to somewhere. They have an href. Let's say for now it is not going anywhere. Let's say this is the home. Then you have about, contact, something like this. This is the basic structure. your website must have header. Header is a new tag in HTML5. If you come here in W3 School, if I search for header, as you can see, this is the header tag. Again, I will search. Okay, as you can see, header, this has a label of 5, means it is new in HTML5. It will define a section or a section of a document, which is the header. As I said, every website has a header. This is the header of the website. The navigation will come here, and this is the header, and the logo and all the navigation will come here. The same thing, they have header. The next thing, after the header, we have content. If your content has articles, you should put them in the article tag. Article tag is also new. It is as new as Visual Studio Code do not support it still. Okay, this is article. An article have a title. You can put the title in H1, something like that. If I come to the next web, let's open one of the article. Let's start this one. Okay, this one is okay. I come here and put this right over there. This is the title, and each article has an image. As you can see, this is an image. If it shows the image, then it has a content. If you are going to use an image, of course you will put in img, then the source, and then everything else. If I come and copy the image address, I can come and paste it here. Now it should show up for us. Okay, in our file we have our header with links, we have our title, we have our image, and then after that you can write any other description for your article. If you have another article, it should be inside another article tag, something like this. It must be on H1, and let's say this is another article from the website we are looking now. Put the title, and maybe it has an image too. I mostly write my article in a very clean way. Not the article, in the code there should be article, and then you should put a little spacing. It will make your code a little clearer. As you have seen, I use a shortcut. If you press Ctrl B, it will just collapse the sidebar here. This is the sidebar in Visual Studio Code. Ctrl B, it will just hide it and show it like that. So I will put the other image too, and that's it for the article. If I come here, refresh, this is the first article, this is another article, but it has no design. Design is part of CSS, which we will learn in the next video. So let's continue. This is article, this is a new tag. For now I can put it there. Okay, let's write a horizontal line here, and then what else we have? We have a footer. A website, every website has a footer. What you will write in a footer? Mostly you write a reference to other website, a reference to your own website, as well as some copyrights. So those are the things that you mostly put in the footer of your website. If I refresh, for now we have no footer, but if I come to HTML W3 School here, as you can see, this is all related to the footer of their website. They write their copyright, their company logo, the references, and all other things. The same thing for this website. Okay, the next web, if I come, they will just load new article. I cannot see the footer, but again the footer is something like that. Again, for this website, a planet, they have their other products, link, and all of these things. They put them in the footer tag. The next tag is, of course, the aside tag. Aside is also new in HTML5. Aside is for sidebar, means if you have a website with sidebar, popular post, never miss. Maybe they put an email field here to collect the email from people. Maybe they put advertising and all sorts of things. That you should use the aside tag. The article, the aside, and if your site has a section, you can use the section. Section is the tag that you mostly use if your website need a section. Like a planet, as you can see, these are section based website. That's why you use the section tag here. So that's it for this video, and I will of course teach you other tags in the future videos, but for now this is enough for HTML. In the next video we will discuss about CSS, and we will learn how we can design our website from the basic to professional. I hope it has been informative for you. If you have any question, feel free to comment below the video, and thank you for watching.